My question is about quality assurance, quality control. You showed some of the statistics there, and I was interested to learn a bit more about, you showed some statistics about a reduced failure rates. So do I take it from that when the limbs went live, did you see a jump in non-conformances? And then how has that now steadied out? Is really what I want to know. Did you see a jump, and then has it steadied out?
As you see in the presentation, we reduced the scrap. What exactly happened? When we use this system, our data are more visible and available. And also we use SPC charts, as statistical process control. In fact, by this item, we can easily understand the fluctuation, the fluctuation of the test result. For example, we have a test by the name of gel in our products. These tests usually are in low range. For example, we have a range from 0 to 100 as a normal range. But usually, for normal products, we have up to 20 or 25. But when we have an abnormal, for example, we have faced with a gel by the number of 60 or 70 or 40, we understand that this is in the range. This is good quality, but this is abnormal. This item helps us that understand that a batch number of our product is to somehow different from the others. This item helps us to test more, focus on more samples, and get more sample from the bagging, for more sample from our end products, and understand, for example, some of them take it from the products, and we improve our quality. If we don't have these systems, we do not understand. We do not understand that this is a bad quality, or maybe some problem go to the bagging, and at the end we faced with customer complaint. By this item, we omitted this item, go to the customer, and ensure that our quality in the good product and first quality. I hope that I answered your question.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
Okay, who's next, please?
Hi, this is Joe. Can you hear me?
Go
okay?
ahead, Joe. Yep, go ahead.
You mentioned that you designed the LIMS system internally. What ERP system was the basis for that you connected to? Was it also developed internally?
We bought ERP, but some part of ERP has been developed by ourselves, or some exactly some report get out of ERP. What we have done is that join the data of the LIMS and ERP and use it in other data, in other system by the name of BI. You see, I get you an answer. Every day, every morning, we have a KPI for our quality of products. We get the tonnage, the quantity of our product from ERP, and we get the quality of product from the LIMS, and get these together in BI and show the KPI for our products. In fact, we joined these two together and used their report with in joint to get a good KPI or something like this.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Phil.
Thank you. The presentation was quite clear about what you're doing, which is really helpful for us. My question is, if you are hoping to be a reference laboratory and like a center of excellence for the Middle East, what is it about what you're doing that would make that happen? What is it that makes what you're doing so special?
Good question. One of our major vision, ASPC vision is to be a pioneer company in the Middle East. And every part of ASPC wants to take part in this vision. At first, we were just a simple laboratory, just get the sample and give the results to the customer, maybe internal or external or other part. We want to be pioneer in the Middle East, so we must choose a way to improve ourselves. We choose another standards by the name of 7043, which is for proficiency testing. Proficiency testing is a testing that we provide samples, for example, 15, 16, 14, to the other laboratories. We send samples to them, get the results, evaluate by robust statistical procedures, and tell them if they are correct, the accuracy of the result that they gave to us is correct or not. We accredited for this standard. We accredited for proficiency testing services by the Turkey around I think 2 or 3 years ago. And by this way, we try to be a reference laboratory. Many laboratories in Iran and also the outboard out of Iran refer to us and our customers and work with us in order to understand if their results are correct or their accuracy are right or not. In this way, we try to be a reference laboratory in the Middle East.